Hey guys.
Hi.
So I just thought I don't do all the cooking, okay? So Kymmy's, what do you got in there,
I
darling?
got bok choy, butter, salt, pepper.
Mm.
Very nice.
So we've got these lovely lamb chops, which is an absolute treat because lamb is so expensive. Here,
Some broccoli.
steamed broccoli. In here, I cooked my carrots in here, right, with garlic and honey and stuff like that. And I had them on for ages, and they're still, you know.
You should have julienne them.
I should have julienne them.
Sticks.
I should have made sticks. It was hard to cut. We need a better knife. You know, I've got a big box of knives somewhere.
Yes, I know.
But look at them. And we've even got more because I like them. So after today, after our videos and that today, we went out and we had a little punt, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
We went to our local sports club.
Autos, yes.
We had a win. We had quite a good win.
We did. We have a good win.
We did.
Nearly $600.
Yeah. Well, not 600 because we spent 250.
Well, 400.
Yeah, 400 we won. Yeah.
450.
So we thought, well, let's get the hell out of there for a start and come back and actually eat some good, healthy stuff because you don't have. Who the hell has fruit for breakfast, right?
Exactly.
Jen's excited too, so we went and did a good shop, and these should just about ready to come out now. Do you want to just hold that for a second, mate? I want to get these out. Oh, see what I mean? About the honey coming over the top.
Oh, right.
So these were cooked in the oven, and they weren't bloody cooked enough, so, because I'll be damned if I put my teeth in. You know, I like to suck a chop.
We didn't do pumpkin, baby.
We didn't do pumpkin. And there's that pumpkin on top.
There.
That's from Heather that's been up there for a month.
Yeah, in a 60.
What's that?
Nothing.
Are they going to be cooked enough? Let's see. I want to be able to put a knife for it.
Nope.
Bloody knife.
Jam them in there again.
They're going back in the bloody thing. Toughest carrots in Australia, mate.
You cut them too thick. I was going to julienne them, but I know how particular you are.
But you didn't.
No, I didn't.
How particular I am.
Yes.
You think I'm particular?
Yeah, I do.
Oh, all right, we got another 5 minutes. All right, so what we'll do is, because they like to see it on the plate,
All right.
So we'll have to end this here, but I've learned how to edit, so. Ready? 1, 2, 3, snip, snap. It's still bloody going, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Hey, honey, you gonna come in?
Oh, into the kitchen.
Yeah, well, I want to do a video of us showing us. Ooh. Ooh.
This looks good.
That's yours, baby. Just did you 3. The cutlery's on the table out there.
Hey.
Looks all right.
Looks really good.
Here's yours, babe.
Oh, thank you, honey. Oh, wow, that looks great.
Well, it's all right, don't it? We're eating well tonight. It's better than baked beans.
Yes.
Which is normally what we have.
Beautiful.
All right. Oh, I'm going to put water in here. It's just easier to clean up later. Turn that off. Have I turned all this off? All off. Tissues. All right. That's a little one. I'm going to join that to the other one. So, hey, you want to go and watch our, when we won the money to be able to buy this today, watch the other channel. We got the Pick and Family, Ponkies and Plonk. Pokies and Plonk. That's what it is, I think. Okay. Love you all. Good night.